5 common mistakes new Amazon sellers make. Mistake number 1. You chase a product that is a one-time purchase for customers. It's too expensive to acquire a customer that will only buy from you once, so consumable products are a better way to go. Mistake number 2. You don't have a proper product launch strategy that will give you sales velocity from day one. Mistake number 3. You launch a product in a highly competitive product category and you're not very unique with your offer. For example, launching a new supplement in a supplement category that is already pretty saturated. Mistake number 4, you Photoshop your product into stock photos. Don't get lazy on the content creation side. Instead, buy your product or get your product in hand and take real photos and videos of your products, specifically in hands, because that does a great job of giving the human aspect as well as the size aspect. And mistake number 5, you have slim margins and sell a product that is less than $20. You should try to be selling a product that will give you at least $10 in profit for each sale. This is because Amazon's fees for their commissions and their pick, pack, and ship fees are kind of expensive, and you will get eaten alive if you don't have at least a $10 minimum net profit. Alright, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you would like free access to our Amazon listing checklist, our free organic ranking ebook, and to get a free conversion rate listing audit, then head over to amzchecklist.com. And if you don't know who I am and what we do at Evolve Media, then let me tell you in 10 seconds. My name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create product photo and video content for Amazon sellers. Our main goal is to increase click-through rates and conversion rates of Amazon product detail pages. We do this by offering product photo shoots, graphic design, video shoots, and video editing, and then with that content, we split test the main images, A+ content, different videos as ads, and on the actual listing to be viewed organically, as well as by creating sales-driving infographics that significantly elevate the brand and make competition a thing of the past. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create user-generated content. So if you want to check out our pricing and content portfolio, then head over to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.